Welcome to apartment 504. This luxurious 3-bedroom, 3-bath has these amazing full views of New York City, all the way from the George Washington Bridge to the Freedom Tower. From the moment you walk into this apartment, the first thing you see is direct panoramic New York City views. So if you're looking for a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with direct New York City views, this one is for you. This unit is almost 2,000 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths. The owners have creatively combined 2 units to allow for this open space. This modern and open kitchen has every convenience you can imagine, either for cooking or entertaining with family and friends. Working from home in this apartment would be amazing. You can sit there and enjoy views of New York City while you work from home or homeschool your children. This one is special and the location is the best. It's not only a condo in a building, it's a waterfront community. As a person who has lived in Hoboken for many years, it is hard to capture all the wonderful aspects of this community in a video. You'll really have to come and see it for yourself.